सोमा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय.
Hello everyone, this is Mahendra. In this video we are going to solve exercise 4.3 problem number 10. Let us see the question. Find the values of x and y from the figure. This is the given figure. In this figure, this arrow indicates that these two are parallel lines as well as these two are parallel. Okay, right. If these two are parallel, this is a transversal, and if these two are parallel and this line is a transversal to that. Okay. Suppose if you observe closely here, these two are parallel and this is a transversal. These two angles are exterior angles. In particularly they are consecutive exterior angles, isn't it? Consecutive exterior angles, that means they are lying one side of the transversal and they are exterior angles. We call them consecutive exterior angles. Sum of the two consecutive exterior angles is equals to 180 degrees. Nothing but consecutive exterior angles in parallel lines are supplementary. Did you get that? Right? I'm writing here. Consecutive exterior angles are supplementary. Okay, consecutive exterior angles are supplementary. That is nothing but 120 degrees comma x degrees are consecutive exterior angles. So that is nothing but 120 degrees plus x degrees is equals to 180 degrees. Is it clear? Right. So x is equals to 180 degrees transpose to RHS side. So 120 goes to RHS, it becomes minus. So x is equals to 60 degrees we got. Okay. Right. Let us come to figure. So if these two are parallel lines, x degrees and this 3y plus 6 degrees are corresponding angles, isn't it? These two are parallel lines. This is a transversal. One is exterior angle and one more is interior angle, and they are lying one side of the transversal. So we can call them corresponding angles. So corresponding angles in the straight lines are equal, isn't it? Right? So what we have? Corresponding angles are equal in straight lines. Okay, particular case in straight lines. In straight lines, sorry, not straight lines, in parallel lines. Okay, sorry for that. In parallel lines, corresponding angles are equal. So right now x degrees is equals to 3y plus 6 degrees, isn't it? So x comma, we have to write one more step here, that is x comma 3y plus 6 degrees are corresponding angles and they are equal. So x degrees is equals to 3y plus 6 degrees. X value we have 60 degrees, that is equals to 3y plus 6 degrees. Okay, so transpose 3y, LHS side becomes 6 degrees minus 60 degrees minus 6 degrees is equals to 3y. 3y is equals to 54 degrees. So y is equals to transpose 3 RHS side, 54 degrees by 3 ones, 18 degrees. Okay, so y is equals to, we got 18 degrees. Okay, what we got? We got x is equals to 16 degrees and y is equals to 18 degrees. This we have to find. This is a required answer. Remember the thing here, consecutive exterior angles are supplementary. Okay, and here corresponding angles in parallel lines intersected by a transversal are equal. Okay, from the two properties we have solved the problem here. Right, take down the problem.